My name's Greg Preissner. This is my second time of being up here at Physical Therapy Solutions. I was here 2 years ago when I was suffering some stiffness in my knee from an old surgery I had 40 years ago, and they were able to get me back to where I was walking decently. And then after having a complete knee reconstruction, I decided this was the only place to come back and have my therapy. My surgery was a little more difficult than some. I had a lot of scar tissue, and they said that the rehab would take a little longer. But Josiah and Michelle got me back on the road. It turned out well. I just been released, and my surgeon was impressed at how fast I did actually come back for as bad as my knee was. Somebody mentioned one time about having to go to Physical Therapy Solution and go to therapy. What a pain that'd be. And I said I never missed one. I really actually enjoyed it. They were professional. They were good to visit with, but more than that, they were able to get me back to where I needed to be. I would highly recommend this place for anybody after any type of surgery, injury, or if you just need a good straightening out. And their office assistant, Ashley, she's awesome too. So if you're looking to go get therapy someplace, I do highly recommend Physical Therapy Solutions in Manchester and in Dyersville.